Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh, my brother and sister. May the peace and blessing and mercy of Allah be upon you all. Good evening, good evening, good evening. It's 3 o'clock on a beautiful Saturday evening. Feeling good, feeling great, feeling very grateful, thankful. I'm blessed, man. That's all I can say, my brothers and sisters. I'm blessed. I'm out here doing what I want to do, what I ask Allah to help me with each day. I'm getting better and better with certain challenges. You know, getting surprised by a lot of different things from myself, from others, as usual. But life is life. But this is going to be a short, brief message. You know, just some things that I've been experiencing. Because it's always something that I experience that makes it more easier for me to emphasize with you all. You know, I love emphasizing. I love having sympathy as well. You know, I'm an empathetic type of individual. Very optimistic, young, black, African-American male. You know, that's standing up and standing out. You know, we all need to stand up and stand out. But it's about letting others take you out of your character. You don't have to come out of your character for no one. Like, people are going to be people. They're going to say, they're going to do, they're going to think. And even with certain positions and certain titles and certain roles that people play in your workplace, in someone else's workplace, in life, in your family, outside, you know, like, you gotta let people be them. That's their BS. You know, like, people gonna say stuff that you're gonna feel some type of way about. But you don't have to jump. Because at the end of the day, the goal is to become a better individual. And I always keep that at my forefront when I feel like I need to say something, but I don't. You know, it doesn't make me a weak individual because I hold my tongue and I bite my tongue until the perfect time, till the right time is, till the opportunity is presented to me. And if it's never presented, it doesn't really matter to me because at the end of the day, I know where I stand. You know, I don't really care where that individual stands when a person shows me that they're not on my level by saying childish things or speaking about things that don't have nothing to do with anything. You know, like, I don't understand individuals, males, females, children, adults. Some things people do and say are very, very immature. Immature. You know, contradictory, you know, hypocritical. Like, a lot of things, a lot of words that I can't even get out. People do and they say, like, it kind of blows me, you know, and I'm doing my best not to let myself get stressed out, you know, but I had to come out and I had to say something about this because something got to me the last week or so ago, and that was a need for me to get on this video and speak to my brothers and sisters that today or tomorrow you're going to go through a challenge. And it's going to be something someone's going to say or someone's going to do, or their eyes going to roll, or they're going to have some laughter. I don't have to entertain none of that. Like, none of it. Because you ain't here to entertain that. At all. That's not what we on this earth to do, to entertain unnecessary BS. Because their BS is going to pitch you backwards. We going forward, ladies and gentlemen. Forward. You know? We forward, not in reverse. You go in reverse just for a little bit so you can go back forward. You don't stay in reverse and get around in life. No. You can't do that. That's not going to work. Reverse for a few and get back and go forward, man. Just like the car did. But I don't really have much to say because it kind of pissed me off a little bit. But I didn't jump out my character. So at the end of the day, I had to give myself an applause on my back because I'm growing. So it's all that matters to me. As long as I know I'm growing, I'm living and I'm learning. So I'm learning and I'm living. Love you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh.